welcome to this video. This video for finger millet diversity. Finger millet is an annual herbaceous plant widely grown as a cereal crop in the arid and semi-arid areas in Africa and Asia. It is a tetraploid and self-pollinating crop. Chromosome number is 36 and the family is Poaceae. In India, it ranks 6th in production after wheat, rice, maize, sorghum and bajra in India. Ragi is originated in Ethiopia after it will be introduced in India around 2000 BCE. Main cultivation areas are eastern and southern African countries like Uganda, Kenya, Nigeria and Sudan, and southern Asia mainly India and Nepal. In India, Karnataka and Tamil Nadu are the principal ragi growing states besides Andhra Pradesh, Maharashtra, Uttar Pradesh and Bihar. These two states produce about 61% of the total crop. In that, Karnataka, which is the place, produce the crop extensively. Finger millet has different names in local languages. In India, finger millet is commonly called by various names like ragi in Kannada, Telugu, Hindi. Kodra in Himachal Pradesh, Mandia in Oriya, Kodo in Nepal. In Tamil Nadu, it is called as Kelvaragu or Kepai. There are two species of finger millet. One is wild species, another one is cultivated species. Wild species is Eleusine indica. Cultivated species are two types, Eleusine coracona and Eleusine africana. Eleusine coracona is a Indian ragi. Chromosome number is 36. It has short fingers and small grains. Eleusine africana is an African ragi. Chromosome number is 36. It has long fingers, bold grains, stiff straw, photosensitive and uneven grain maturity phase. Eleusine coracona is a short day plant and drought tolerant crop. In India, finger millet is a typical rabi crop. Suitable temperature for this crop is 18 degrees Celsius to 27 degrees Celsius. Finger millet monocrops grown under rain-fed conditions. It is having fibrous root systems. Stems and leaves are usually green. Inflorescence consists of a group of digitally arranged spikes in a terminal umbel form. Inflorescence is three types: top incurved type and open type. Each spikelet has 4 to 6 flowers. Flowers per year head 1500 to 3000. The grains are globose and brown and white in color. Varieties of finger millet. Co-RA 14. It is released in 2004. Malvi 1305 and Co 13 is crossed to produce it. It is cultivated in all districts of Tamil Nadu except Kanyakumari and Nilgiris. It is a medium duration variety. Co 13 is released in 1988. Co 7 and TAH 107 is crossed to produce it. It is a all-season crop and drought-tolerant and medium duration variety. Co 9 White Ragi released in 1970. EX 436 and PLR 1 is crossed to produce it. Medium duration and drought-tolerant variety. Payur 1 released in 1986. Produced from Pure Line selection. It is a medium duration and drought-tolerant variety. In this plant has open earhead and long fingers. K2 released in 1955. It grows in Kerala, long duration variety, suited for rain-fed and irrigated condition, and it is also drought-tolerant variety. VLM 146, medium duration crop and belongs to Karnataka. It is a blast-resistant variety. VLM 324, it grows in hills of Uttaranchal. It is resistant to finger and neck blast. It is a medium duration variety. VLM 315, medium duration and resistance to neck blast. VLM 149, it grows in all areas except Tamil Nadu, Andhra. Medium duration variety and resistant to blast. Nutrients content in ragi. Compared to other crops, ragi has high nutritional value. 5 to 8% protein, 65 to 75% carbohydrates, 15 to 20% dietary fiber, 2.5 to 3.5% minerals, 1 to 2% fat. Of all the cereals and millets, finger millet has the highest amount of calcium and potassium. The finger millet or ragi is malted and its grains are ground to form flour. The flour is made into various food recipes, including dosa, idli and laddu. It has high nutritional content and valuable health benefits such as enhancing digestion, strengthen bones, boost immunity, prevents from anemia and reducing the risk of heart diseases. Ragi malt is a health drink. It helps in maintaining blood sugar and cholesterol levels. Grain is fermented into beer in Nepal and in many parts of Africa. The straw from finger millet is used as fodder.